Hawu. Ingalo yomthetho madoda sawubona.
Hey, sisiyaphi?
Ngiphila kakhulu ndoda. Hamba.
Alright man, ngithi ngivakashele la Senbek. Hey, sengibona indaba ezibuhlungu.
Hayibo.
Bona indoda lana ithela umbayo ngopetrol. Ifuna ukumshisa. Hey, hayi angishaqisa endabeni yangikwatisa man.
Yo, okay. Use-Rustenburg wena mina ngise-Sun City, so I don't think i-distance yinde kakhulu. Ithi ngikusondele ngizokufonela mase Ayike yabona ke i-network yasentabeni zase-Sun City. Asimsondele. Food.
Sisandile.
Hey wena umzisa ubuhlungu.
Yo.
Ngizwile nengalo yami yomthetho ikwate kakhulu. Uzokwenzakalani?
Ugayi ngithwele ngilele endlini like besibuya kongcwaba udadwa bomkhulu wami.
At this point you're married?
Yes.
Nabantwana?
Sinomntwana.
Nihlala endlini eyi-1?
Sihlala endlini eyi-1, yes. Angithwele ngilele. Same like bengibuya emngcwabeni silele emabhodweni nakusasa like umzimba ukhathele, understand plus ne something like that. Afika angivuse rof. Ya wena nalo bakho. Ngithaye uqalile wena ngale story zakho. Wabe sofuna kuliwe nje like stuff like that. Hayi mina ungazongikhathaza. Hayi angangiyeki, angisho ngenhlamba. Kanti vele usually ukumjulisa ngathatha i-butcher knife. Ngamgijimisa ngayo balekela ngaphandle. Fika uma kulamathe langa idobhilitshe ufuna ungishaya ngalo.
Yo,
and balathemi kana ngingcono ngibethi ipendi kuphela ngaphandle. Ngibaleke ngingena endlini. Immediately mangena endlini hayi ashaya amatshe amafastereni wonke. And manje ngicela ukuthenga islide into se-9,000 rand.
yo.
Ashaye lo mfana size siphelele shapu ke ashaya athila zacela. La ngibona khona ukuthi azokuthini othi ngicishe ilight. Immediately mangicisha ilight kanti uyangena ngazo ngathi uphethe ibhakethi uphethe ipetrol. Mangicisha ilight nami uyangena ngebhakethi ipetrol. And angiboni ukuthi uphethe ibhakethi ukuyabona because sengicishile. Wavela ngithela ngepetrol emzimbeni like from ebusweni ukuyenzansi. Sharp maqedwe ukungithela abalekele ngaphandle. Ajumpa ngefastela lakhile uNkulunkulu wangipha amandla. Ngajumpa ifastela. Mind you, ngisayophuma ngiyojumpa ifence. And by that time lolo fence alikho step. Ngiyazama ukucanca. Mangilapha phezulu ifence ibona ke halenza so nami. Njengathi nje uNkulunkulu wamcela ungipha amandla ngiphume
Mara akakuboni.
Akangibona ngitshela uconcentrate ubheke ngale uje maybe ngizophuma eminyango.
Yeah.
Angingena ngale ejardini leli ngapha. Ngawela phansi. Ngigijima ngabhodela ngaphambili lejaridi everanti ngafike ngakokota. So bashocked ukuthi ke nobani lokokota because amagate abo avaliwe. Senyakokota sebayavuka ubani before bangivulela nangu uyakhuphuka ugayi ngathi uyakubo kanti mase ngizokuzwa afterwards uyobatshela ukuthi babuye bazolanda ifridge yakho ufuna ukushisa umuzi wakhe. You understand? Ulayida umuzi kanje ngila next door ucala ushisa umuzi ngila next door.
So in his head, in his mind, you're still in the house?
Yes, ngibuya ngaye vele athi ngisendlini because akangibonanga movement yami ukuphuma. Akangibonanga movement yokuphuma. Wabe ngithi ke na sesiyahlala abantu bayaphatha lapha phela na nje ishile iphelile. Bayabona ukuthi vele ngichamuka ngisho ukuthi vele ngishile ngaphakathi. Police station nakhona mangifika and we've been trying to call them the police station. Masifika sithola balele. Ifone bayibekele lapha ya kuthi ngaring nograin. Masifika khani bavuka. Khani balungisa ifone bayibeka kahle. Singabanikeza istory then babhala ke i-case bafuna i-case something like that. Then ngalinda i-shift ezongena bangithatha ke bathi ke siyomlanda ugayi masizo approach istrate esingenela la sihlala khona nangu uyaphuma ngazi beka saboleka okwani ibhurukunyana elifishana nangu uyaphuma futhi na imoto zamaphoyisa amaziza akacabanga ukuthi ke naziza kuye esimanje na azi ukuthi mina ngiphelele endlini ube ba-aware nje imoto masezibatshele ukuthi iwuye loya
zama phambi kwakhe.
zashaya ispeed zim-attack athi uthi uyabaleka okay like bamgijimisa bamfaka evenini bangithatha mina bangimisa esibhedlela.
Wakubona?
Wangibona libe langithuka sala bekusala bakudla.
Did you get arrested? You got arrested that day?
Yes.
And then what happened?
Wangena from that December, if I'm not mistaken, uphume May or June. Nakhona ngingazi mina ukuthi uphumile.
What was the charge?
Attempted murder and arson.
Yeah. Manje uphuma kanjani?
Inkinga yileyo sisandile yiyo into engiphethe kabuhlungu.
Manje njoba usibhalela. What's the big thing that you want me to help you with?
Yo, my big thing dinga i-justice sisandile.
Uthi unomngane osazi isitori sakho?
Yes.
Okay, angafakaza ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Angafakaza usazi sonke isitori.
Okay.
Mm.
Before ilanga lishona yabo.
Okay.
Sibona umngane wakho ze siyobona kunjani mama? Ngiyaphila uandile lona. Hayi ngiyajabula ukwazi mina. Manje usisi Ntombi futhi usitshela ukuthi umngane.
Yes.
And you know about life kwenzakaleni kuye. Wena wazini mama?
Indlu Maisha
Yeah.
bekhona ngibukela indlu Maisha.
Umphakathi uyamiyeka kuyamiwa.
Sithola abantu bamile vele.
As a woman, what did that say to you?
Sizokwenza sisandile.
Angisamemezi
Wonke umuntu khona sithola abantu babukele mina engifike late sithola abantu babukele.
kuwe kuthini ngepolice station la? Another way amaphoyisa handle ngakhona ukuthi uhlale 2 months.
Amaphoyisa Ntombi futhi awumsizanga nganiksi ngoba mabeza makuntombi futhi kuwe obakhothayo khani beza. Ngoba khona umunye usisi weza wabhalisa statement somewhat uzobuya since till today.
What has been your advice, woman to woman, to mngane wakho?
Into mina engiyifisayo nami ukuthi akabanjwe lo mfana. Ngoba yinto engihlale ngisho ukuthi what if Ntombi futhi bekafika? Kusho ukuthi ngabe kuphelile nje kanjalo ku right Ntombi futhi ufile.
Wayembiza umfana?
Umfana intanga yami muso.
Nawe mawukhuluma ngayo ngibuza wena wayembiza indoda yakho umfana?
Akusindoda.
Okay, I hear that. Leyo ukuthi umfana iqala after all these things
After incident.
Yeah.
Angithola lo mbeke ngimthatha njengendoda.
Sure.
So wangikhomba ukuthi yena akasindoda. U-acta njengomfana.
Understood.
Yes.
Understood. Okay, so isifiso sakho ukuthi athole ijustice. All right. Okay. Ngiyabonga mama.
Bonga mina.
Let's go. Yamazi lo sisi. Umsali waho. Umthele ngepetrol. Azange umthele ngepetrol ushisa indlu. Yeah, manje wathi ngikuwa kanye. Why bomthele ngepetrol?
Kwayithi
Hayi mina ngibuza wena baba.
wena okuyena ngefo.
Violence, femicide, ethnic crisis. Violence, femicide, ethnic crisis.
So this is our complainant. Umoleti show ya rona. This is a new show called Sengzwilebo. We're dealing strictly with gender-based violence, domestic violence, intimate partner violence cases. And Daba because she did open a case, and the husband was arrested, stayed for 3 to 4 months, was released on bail. Nobody notified her, nobody told her anything. Uzwa ngabantu, sekahlangana naye estradini, sekamhlapawula like on Saturday. So if this man can get a chance of being with her one-on-one, anything can happen.
Well, you think it's a list for this? There's a protocol.
Yes, sir.
That there must be a communication officer.
I understand
and
that.
relate some of the experience. But
Yes.
as I know, as the police,
Yeah.
if someone gets bail,
Yeah.
there are conditions
Okay.
that the person was given by court.
Okay.
That we releasing you
Yeah.
on condition that you never maybe communicate with the witness,
Yeah.
or threaten the witness, or
Yes.
do 1, 2, 3. That means when a contravening the
That's
same
bail.
bail condition,
Yes.
and it must be reported.
Yeah.
And if it is reported, there must be steps taken.
Ramulata rona.
What we can do after taking a statement, there are steps that we're going to take.
to make sure that she's safe until everything is resolved.
Cool.
Right now, when you live here, you live with knowing that she's safe where she is, and the police are going to take steps against the perpetrator.
Perfect. Yanga.
Siswa,
Ukahle ndoda.
hayi inkolelo.
Lalela-ke nazi indaba ezimnandi.
Khuluma nami.
Indaba ilungisiwe njengoba singenile phakathi sathola no station commander baludingida udaba kulungile manje. So wena ungabuyela labo uchile khona uyozi-enjoya indaba yakho wehlisa umoya isiphethe manje.
Hayi labana besidileke kakhulu.
Uzodilika.
Mawungikhulula ukuthi sekukhona abazokunceda.
Hayi no, ngiphethe abakasidlodla.
Ngiyakutshela.
Sha. Ake njengoba wazi ukuthi thina ngeke siphumule until we find justice for all the women who are abused in South Africa. So ke manje amaphoyisa ayadingida indaba bazositshela ukuthi bathini kodwa mina engikufuna kakhulu ukuthi ubona ubaba uKenneth Matthews. Happa now. Indaba bakasidlodlo manje sisematheni abo sihamba nabo siyolanda uMr Matthews. Le ndaba ye-violence against women stops here. So follow me. Siyakulandela baba. Kenny kunjani? Ngiyaphila baba. Kenny Matthews. Mina ngu-Angela Khalisiwe. Le show le sibiza singizwile bo. Uyamazi lo sisi? Umsali wawo umthele ngepetrol. Azange umthele ngepetrol ushisa indlu. Manje wathi kibuka kanye. Ngithelile nithi. Why bomthele ngepetrol?
Why yithi?
Hayi mina ngibuza wena baba.
Wena okuyena kefu.
Because ubize mina.
Yani ngabahulelezi.
Why ngibuza wena? Angithi kumela. Why umthetho kapetrol?
Mina ngumunyezi.
Yeah.
So ke monyezi. Wathi ke nile problem ezithitha.
Give me one problem. One problem.
Ngenzela nesebaka. Ngenzela le rena le ngwana wa 13 years lecture. Ngenzela le sebaka isi ke re ke bone problem e fetsagala. Mantla ba. Getso di nketsa le after ke monyala tse ke di bone. Before ke monyala ise ke bone se ka tlolela mama. Ke ba ka tletela ke link ile fa ke. Ke ba ka tletela nna le re. So o reka sensitive ka foko. Di shift tsa rona ga di kopa. So o tsama phakela nna ke tsama le. So ga tsama le di ga ke kgone go bona gore tsa ga re kopa le go kopana bisire sa go tshate go le sha. Ga ke se check se bisire. Di phone ne se motsa fela ka 2023 e ba ke bi maka. Mantla a simola ntšhantšhela phone e eno ba. Ga ke phone e ntšhantšhela le o ile ke tse ke a utshela go nna le wena gona. Mantla a ine sha ga kitse. Simola sa ngwana ka le ampontsha go papa phone e ka so. Na go itse ka mo mosebetsing ke itumetse ka phone ga ke tloretla. Ke ka di message tsa batho. Tsa batho ba ile go busy le bo ba bona. Ya reng ya sa ka tsa ka tsa matsa ba ka go ga ngwana ge ga ga di wa le ba nna go dilo go. Ka tsa matsa ba ka ke na le problem ntse so le. Ga gona mo ke le ngaka.
So the messages on the watch them.
But who go on to the board? So that's not too much money. You know, you get to a massive. Get out of familiar, but get a funny born, get a ease, or so. Get the one for one to it's all a problem of John. Whatever. Now, one of it, a fat happy. Okay. But it's a hello, Ghana will get out on the line. Like a chase from the city. Take a chase a record, and I will never check it. Get out of the high. Kisimotsa ile labone ga gona le lesemo family ya kwa bona like re le ka setso ga gona le family kwa bona ke mo khonya ntse go thusa ka bote teng ke a tswa ke a bote so fa la hele tsana go lesong di action tsa nna di etsa like nna ke le monna re sele a ntlo ra phakela motho ga sanga a tenda go tsena go bona go ntse go mfeto o tsile fa o tsena o shapula di mosadi tse tsena tse sure go ita ga ke sa go tebelo a tsamaya go lesong o tsamaile ka frita ga e o bosigo satani ga go tshisa ke tswa ke ntse lo ga yo go lesong le go bona sala tsebile ke monna ke mosadi mo yetse ga tsa go lesong le a ne sha buka tsena tsafta ka tsena go tshaba go ka ke ntse lo ga re ke sa tshebe ke kira go thabeng ya ka go sfiso ga go tsena ke yo go thabeng se sa ile lesong
yeah listen to me Hore o jola le mang wena ha o
Ke
jola le
monyetsi
mang.
mo se motho.
That does not matter.
Ntho e methakang ke wena o e batlang.
You have no right
Ntho e methakang ke ntho e o e batlang
to
wena.
tell motho. Mamela.
So ntho e methakang ke wena o e batlang.
Kelly,
Mapedi.
you don't scream at me. I'm not your wife. Okay? Let's start there. Nithi
Ke
kuwe.
mo go ntse ntho go se ya ka
Whether
wena.
o cheatile or ha cheater, no one has a right to tell motho ka petrol.
Violence, femicide, ethnic crisis. Violence, femicide, ethnic crisis.
O jole Joel Moseki motho.
Joel Moseki ke
mang?
mang?
Le ena gore mo. Joel Moseki wa mo.
Ke mamose Joel Moseki.
O jole Joel Moseki o jalo le o tia ana le ena ga gore batho se ke re message ba. Ba lo teng ba di tito ntwe. Okay, try to go na nyala last week no go masep. O jole le bona. Motho wa monna.
My brother, tell you say something. All of
Ana o
us.
se ka go. Motho ke ntse na se ba. Sala ka mo utlwa o ka monela ka o se o se jole bisika. Anda ka nna ya go la go nna sa go. Wa le tofana di giant tsa jole le tsone. Ndi ba le ke unwe ntseng.
Wait on.
Di giant tse ne di Yes.
Oh, you're not jolly the giant.
Yes, snake mo ka ka molela ka mo go.
Yeah. Listen to me. Hore o jola le mang wena ha o
Ke
jola le
mo
mang.
nyatsi mo se motho.
That does not matter.
Ntho e methakang ke wena o e batlang.
You have no right
Ntho e
to
methakang ke ntho e o e batlang wena.
tell motho. Mamela.
So ntho e methakang ke wena o e batlang.
Kelly,
Mapedi.
you don't scream at me. I'm not your wife. Okay? Let's start there. Nithi kuwe.
Ke mo go ntse ntho go se ya ka
Whether
wena.
o cheatile or ha cheater, no one has a right to tell motho ka petrol.
How
Okay.
ne ke sa tshele ngwana ka
Ore
petrol.
mo tshetse ka petrol.
Yes, because
She's
the
in the
opportunity if I'm not fisa ntlo motho ga
I was inside the
How
house.
is
What's it?
someone in the house? Wa bona?
Exactly.
I sang ka phela ntlo motho
Ga o
le.
tshela petrol, o tshela ka
O
petrol.
mmona feta pela hao.
Ha mbona.
O mmona feta
Ha
pela hao.
mbona.
Ngiyabuza, yebo noma cha?
Ke a go mo spotso ka
O le
wena.
wena no never o chise ntlo a le ka mohale.
Yes.
Ke
Le
re mo
me
wena
fa.
he.
Ne ka se ka fisa ne ke sa fisi motho ne
So
ke sa
then
ntlo.
o mo bone na a feta pela
None.
hao to make sure that
Motho o
she's not in
tswile.
the house.
Yes, o tswile a ya fa ntlo mo tech shop
O
for.
mmone
Ha
kae?
mbona.
Ke mo ya
Liar.
ke ne ke le go kae.
Liar.
Ne ke le go ke mo ga ke na matlo.
Liar.
Abambonile
Shaya ba
abathatha
mathaka ka fele sa
befela.
ke se ka ditlholing kwa.
And so my thing is, when you are saying, oh, cheated, you even did this, also
Too much.
the next thing to do now, in your mind, that is depressed and feels like another option, is to burn your own house that you live in.
Yes. Yeah, ke a ka mo.
So how
O tena ya mo ene wena.
when how 2 months what must happen? It's over. She's out of the house.
Wa bona mafoko a ne
She's out of the house.
ditlhello. Wa bona ntho e nngwe e ke tseo di fiseditsweng.
Yeah.
Mafoko a ne ngwana a bua.
Eh.
A utlwe. Wa se nthaga motho.
Eh.
O nthaga nna ke setoro ba di mo ba go gana thata ne.
Mm.
Ga ntse ba tlo mpola ga itse go pala teng.
Why no someone?
Exactly.
Ke motlhala ke monyetla. Ha o fele dilo tse ka di etsagetse mo short period.
Why o bua tsaka?
Everywhere.
Why you talk about me?
You went to all your family.
I was trying.
Motsa gore mamage o editseng. Mamage o editseng. Yaka le mmaga motsetsi.
Some of the things that you go on, I believe you when you said you went everywhere to try and get help. Because that's what you're supposed to do. But the fact that family alone and you need to really faith doesn't mean now you kill someone.
I wasn't kidding. We were going here.
Meaning it's good, Baba. Unfortunately for you, in South Africa we do not and will not tolerate violence against women. If Mutual cheated and there's no support for you, Kala. And you save your life. Because right now, you put your own life in danger.
It doesn't matter. I'm a danger.
By or
name.
name from when?
The very first time you want to get he's
Okay. So when you were doing that available, so was which is a pity. Tell my petrol, she's in you. Unamang. Udumate
Gape sa wa ipega gape.
Yes, protecting yourself. You see, Minanges Dali want to now. Because Minangiri now. Ne? I brought her here. Something. So let her tell you what she wants to tell you.
But Oblella, today it's your day. I'm had enough. It'll help up and I'll start to beat the Obatangate. Kitula Mopilum Bako. I don't understand. Kitula Mopilum Bako. I think it's a make up after this incident. mara wena ga o kopana le lengwa ntho o ntogela
What's the problem again?
o ntogelang
What's the problem? What's the wrong with you? It's all gone.
o kella le no yanane why isn't kebele ke fetso bu
Oh, I can't remember the
today o itse gore ke letsatsi la go la bofelo wa go tshwariwa for what you did for me for nna bophelo ba ka bo botle e se ke kry closure o ya phela go monate o tsamaya distrateng your life is okay but you destroy my life this today ga no tshela ka petrol no sa destroy ga no tshela ka petrol no sa destroy even though le ngwana ke ka je kole o na le trauma ka wena lo go shapa in front of ngwana
niyazi ukuthi ecourt batheni
exactly
uthini niyadivorce niyahlala
yes phelile kwamnaye I'm willing to do a divorce
okay
yes
o reng ka taba ya divorce
How is it Lampata? I'm like, why did you small? Waiting on what's since day one.
all right this is part of the things that you are going to have to fix in your life as a man. You're going to have to take responsibility for your actions and what violence you both created in front of Mudwana. That's on you, right? Naki Felitelwa Papa. I wish you all of the best. Abamas Dodo, Ninga Sunday Lavantabata. Just go deal it. Yeah, okay. Angisebenzisile namhlanje. Ufila kanjani?
Bengidinga umuntu ozongisebenzisa ozongisebenzela yeah abantu bahlule umsebenzi wabo sisandile
Usho kanjani?
bahlule umsebenzi wabo isikhathi engisize la several times ngicela ukusizwa no one kwa captain kwabani akekho ngisizile
So manje ufila ukuthi usolutholile usizo.
bona ngilitholile futhi ngiyazizwa nje ukuthi yazokuthini khona okwehlile
Asike sithi mina naye woman to woman. Uchithile.
yazi ukuchita ngichitile after sengibona ukuthi ke akusekho mnandi endlini
Okay.
yeah lo kanye ngizongiphika but angabali nalo ya yes ngichitile
Okay, babe. Take care of yourself. I'm sorry about what happened. All the best.
ngiyabonga
All right.